With the evolution of mankind, nature inspired man by uttering different sounds. After thinking, man came to this conclusion that the best to soothe the deprived souls is music. Among other musical instruments, Rabab is also a main instrument originated from Afghanistan. It is also national musical instrument of Afghanistan. From Afghanistan, it has also penetrated in Pakistan. KPK, Gilgit, and Kashmir are the famous areas where Rabab is played, and people are emotionally connected with it. The areas of Pakistan, just I mentioned, after it, the sweet voice of Rabab has also reached to the borders of Kalat state. The music patronized by these states included Rabab as it tunes the tired souls, regulates the off moods, and its magical music has always been sweet sounding, and it's these features ensured for its state patronization in Kalat too, after Afghanistan. Agha Ghulam Shah of Kalat knows well that how the strings of Rabab vibrated and produced sweet voice that become source of relief. Special thanks to Agha Mehboob Shah, brother of Agha Ghulam Shah, who forwarded this special musical rhythm for my channel, Zaik Vlogs. Let us listen, watch, and enjoy.